Alright guys, so today it's about 50 degrees out. Been a lot of cold the past couple days, and I love topwater fishing, and I don't want it to be over yet. So today we're going to do some fall fishing, topwater. I got the LiveTarget rat, and I'll be throwing LiveTarget frog as well. I love topwater fishing, so let's see if we can hook a couple. That's what you call a fish.
Holy shit. That's a fucking lunker.
Alright guys, so this is why I love fall fishing. We're going to take a couple of pitches, throw this girl back in the water. She's still alive. Nice, dragged her right through the lily pads. Alright guys, so as you saw, I got that, we waited out, took some pitches. It was 3:11. In fall fishing, the water's so cold that the fish try to lay dormant. They're slower moving. So my opinion, something that helps me is very slow through. If you're fishing, like right now I'm fishing a lot of the lily pads, very slow, little tiny jerks. Don't bring it fast across the top of the water. Just let them kind of catch up to it, because they're moving so slow right now because the water is so cold. So you just want to give it a couple little jerks, and just like you saw him, you guys didn't see the action of it, but he just came up and completely just wrecked it. He completely just wrecked it. I was trying to figure out another word than the word I would normally use, because it's not a very good word. So he just came up and wrecked it, and he just took it. So let's see if we can get another one. Alright guys, we only had about an hour or so, maybe a little less, to fish. I got some stuff going on at home today. So, like I said, I didn't get to use the LiveTarget frog, but this this rat. You know, I got that 311. I got a bunch of hits, one pickerel. So LiveTarget rat, love them. Keep a couple of them on hand at all times. My last one, I used so much that I started to get holes through it. I had to burn it back together. It really just looked like a zombie rat, but still caught fish. So make sure you go check out the LiveTarget. You know, they're frogs. They're the sunfish. Not a big fan of them. They don't cast very well. But the LiveTarget rats, I've caught a lot of bass on. So make sure you go check them out. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.